Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different than my usual videos. So I've teamed up with Maybelline. So I'm going to be swatching all of these new lipsticks. These are the SUPERSTAY matte liquid lipsticks. So it's the new nude extension from their already existing line. So these are a long wear, non-drying formula and they dry to a matte finish. So there's not going to be a whole lot of talking in this video. It's more so just to kind of showcase the new colours that are coming out. So if you want to see all the shades, keep watching. So the first colours I'm going to swatch are the deepest shades, and the makeup look I went for is more of a subtle look, just a softer eye. I just have some caffeine eye base from Urban Decay all over and some mascara, and this is kind of usually the look I would wear. Maybe I might add some false lashes, but just for this I'm not going to do it. But usually when I wear like a stronger lip I tend to go softer on the eyes, so that's the look I'm going to do for swatching these four colours. So let's get to it. So next up I'm going to swatch these three shades. So these are like a mauvey, purpley, ashy kind of tone, which I am all here for. So I'm so excited to try these ones. I just kind of added a little bit of a wing and some lashes just to change up the makeup look for these shades. So I just went ahead and smoked up my eye a little bit more because we're going to swatch the three lightest shades now. So there we have it, that is all the 10 new shades swatched. And I have to say I actually really liked every single one of them on. Like usually when I get a collection of lipsticks, there's a few that I'm like, not really sure, but I'm happy to say that every single one of these that I tried I would wear. Anyway, let me know if you like these types of videos because I love doing lip swatches. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I like to do little mini clips of lip swatches. But if you like these type of like longer ones so you can see the whole shade go on and kind of have a little bit more time to see the shade, let me know because it is something that I will do more of if you guys like it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave comments below, and I will see you in the next video.